Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jelly. First, select ripe, flavorful fruit such as berries or apples for the best taste. You will also need sugar, pectin, and a touch of lemon juice to ensure proper setting. Remember to sterilize your glass jars and lids by boiling them for at least 10 minutes to prevent spoilage. This crucial step ensures your delicious homemade jelly remains fresh and safe to enjoy for many months. Now let's get cooking. Combine your crushed fruit, sugar, and pectin in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Stir the mixture continuously over medium-high heat until it reaches a full, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. Continue boiling for about 1 minute, or until the temperature reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature ensures your jelly will set perfectly, giving it that wonderful, firm texture we all love. Once your jelly is cooked, it's time to fill the jars. Carefully ladle the hot jelly into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. This space is essential for proper sealing. Wipe the rims of each jar thoroughly with a clean, damp cloth to remove any drips. Then, place the lids and screw bands on, tightening them just until fingertip tight. This allows air to escape during processing. The final step is processing. Place your filled jars into a boiling water canner, ensuring they are covered by at least 1 inch of water. Process for 10 minutes, then carefully remove them and let them cool undisturbed on a towel for 24 hours. After cooling, check that all lids have sealed properly. They should be concave. Store your perfectly sealed homemade jelly in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year of delicious enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.